Alright, so I did a repair on this, well, not a repair, more of a reinforcement on this part. Been reading a lot of reviews that it breaks after time. It's the GE Microwave, the profile one. It looks like this. I figured before I install it, I'd do the reinforcement and not have to buy any part. I took it apart already and actually installed the piece. And I figured, man, I might as well do a video on how to reinforce it since there's nothing out there that shows it. I'm gonna take this part apart again. Pretty much you just unscrew it here and unscrew it here and then just pop all these off. I'm gonna set the phone down, see if I can get a video of it. Slide it down and it comes off. So put these. Just remember which one goes on top, which one goes on bottom. This one's gonna go on top. These were kind of hard to pull out, so I just popped this piece off. All right, so this piece right here is what breaks, this long part right here. So from all the pushing, all the pressure being put on this piece right here, from all the opening and closing, it breaks off this piece. So I read a comment that all you have to do is get a machine screw, 440 1.25 inch. I ended up getting an inch and a quarter stuck out too much, but you just slide it in there and it helps reinforce the part. I'm gonna install it back. You just pretty much slip it in there and just tighten it. I'm gonna install it back on there and show you what I mean by why it breaks. It's actually really easy to do. The only thing that kind of was hard and I was afraid of breaking was when you're taking the top off, right here it's kind of clamped on pretty good to these things right here. You just gotta give it some elbow grease, it won't break. At least I don't think it will, as long as you don't pull it that hard. I just gave it a little tug and it popped right off. Pop these back on. And I did this shit backwards. Everything's perfect. Okay, now this one goes on top. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, whenever you press the button, you see how it pushes that part? After so much opening and closing, that part wears out and breaks. And that screw right there helps it so that whenever this right here pushes this way, it doesn't break as easy. So, there you go. Once you pop it in there, you just pop the hood back on and you're good to go.